Shirdi Sai Baba. Sai Baba Shirdi was an Indian spiritual master who is regarded by his devotees as a saint and a fakir. Is revered by both his Hindu and Muslim devotees during as well as after his lifetime. According to accounts from his life, he preached the importance of realization of the self and criticized love towards perishable things. His teachings and concentrate on a moral code of love, forgiveness, helping others, charity, contentment, inner peace, and devotion to the good and Guru. He stressed the importance of surrender to the true Sadguru, who, having taught the path of divine consciousness, will lead the disciple through the jungle of spiritual training. Sai Baba also condemned distinction based on the religion of caste. It remains unclear if it was a Muslim or Hindu. This, however, was of no consequence to Sai Baba. His teachings combined elements of Hinduism and Islam. He gave the Hindu name Dwarkamai to mosque in which he lived, practiced both in Hindu-Muslim rituals, taught using words and figures that drew from both traditions, or took Samadhi in Shirdi, one of the well-known epigrams. Allah Malik, God is King, and Sabka Malik Ek. Everyone's master is one, associated with both Hindus and Muslim. He is also known to said, "Look at me, and I shall look to you, and Allah tere bala karega." And coming to the Sai Baba background, Sai Baba date of birth, including his birthplace, remains unknown and is debatable due to lack of evidence and no definitive information exists to prove it. Most definitive information about Shirdi Sai Baba tends to be derived from a book called Sri Sai Satcharitra, written by disciple called Hemad Pant, also known as Anna Sahib Dabholkar, Govind Raghunath, in 1922 in Marathi. The book itself is a compilation based accounts by his various disciples and Hemad Pant's personal observations of Sai Baba from 1910 onwards. Sai Baba's real name remains unknown. The name Sai was given to him by Mahasapati when he arrived at Shirdi, a town now in the West Indian state of Maharashtra. The word Sai refers to a religious mendicant but can also mean God. In several Indian and Middle Eastern languages, to the terms Baba is an honorific signifying grandfather, father, old man, or son. Thus, Shirdi Sai Baba denotes holy father, saintly father, vulnerable, poor old man. Some of Sai Baba's disciples become famous as spiritual figures, and saints such as Mahasapati, priest of Kandoba temple in Shirdi, and Upasani Maharaj. He was revered by other saints as well, such as Saint Bidkar Maharaj, Saint Gaganigiri Maharaj, Saint Janaki Das Maharaj, and Sati Godavari Mataji. Sai Baba referred to several saints as my brothers, especially the discipline of Swami Smartha of Akalkot. Actually, coming to the failures and death of Sai Baba, in August 19, Shirdi Sai Baba told one of his devotees that he would leave his immortal body, it means dying, towards the end of September. He had high fever and stopped eating as his condition deteriorated. He asked his disciples to recite holy texts to him and continued to meet visitors. On October 15, 1918, his breath is last. The day coincided with the Hindu calendar that the year for Vijayadashmi. His remains were interred as Buttiwada in Shirdi, after which it became place of worship known today as Sri Samadhi Mandir or Sai Baba Temple. Sai Baba opposed all persecution based on religion and caste. He was an opponent of religious orthodoxy, Christian, Hindu, and Muslim. Sai Baba encouraged devotees to pray, chant God's name, and read holy scriptures. He told Muslims to study the Quran and Hindus to study texts such as Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, and Yogi Vasistha. He was impressed by the pillars of Bhagavad Gita and encouraged people to follow in their own lives. He advised his devotees and followers to lead a moral life, help others, love everything, love every living being without any discrimination, and develop two important features of character. Faith, it means Shraddha, patience, Saburi. Shraddha, it means faith. Saburi means patience. He criticized atheism. Yes. Sai Baba encouraged charity, stressed the importance of sharing. He is living God, still a living God in Shirdi.